Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change animation speed on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To change animation speed, go to Settings, then go to About Phone and click on build number 7 times, then enter your unlock password and go to System, Developer Options, and then go to Animation Scaling, which is here, and you can adjust the scale. The higher value you set, the slower the animations will be, as you can see now, but you can also set a smaller scale or turn it off, and now this animation, there's no animations, it happens immediately. Or you can set it to 2.5, it's also really fast, or the default 1x, and you can set it for windows, transitions, air, and for animator duration scale. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.